Hey guys, how you guys doing? So today I just made this slime. Actually, probably maybe like 30 minutes ago. Thought I would maybe do like a little review for you guys. Sorry I have the hiccups. And okay, so let's get on to the video. This is fluffy slime. As you can see, it's sticky, but it can stretch pretty far. It's fluffy. It's very soft. That's one thing I really like about it. It's soft. Like, really soft. Here, let me put my, since I have a long sleeve shirt on, I'm gonna pull my sleeves up. There we go. Well, okay. It's okay. It's very, it's very, as you can see, the color's white because I didn't put any food coloring in. I'm not going to. This is probably my best slime I have, or that I've ever made. And it's really stretchy. I mean, it's not like really stretchy, but it can do something that I think is kind of cool. It can make a bubble, which, here, and I haven't perfected on them yet. Here. Yeah. Here. No. Ooh. I'll get it for you guys.
Hi everyone, say what you want.
And well, hopefully you guys understand. You basically pull from the middle, and you basically trying to make a big bubble. I think I'm going to end the video here. Please make sure like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications for me. And we'll see you guys next time.